Hi, I'm Chris Cooper, Director of Engineering at Times Microwave. Just showcasing some of our legacy products. Of course, we have the MilTech. It's been pretty much the de facto cable of choice of most of your military applications since the 1970s. Can go through high altitude, high vibration, high shock, ultra low loss, very phase stable product. And then we also have our LMR series, which has been the de facto cable of choice for radio operators, telecom, and again, it's kind of also been a solution to the only other solution was the RG military cables. Our new products, we've come out with Levitape, which is an ultra light cable, very low static bend radius, and we're targeting the attritable UAV market. So we're upwards of 30 to 60% lighter than any other cables on the market. Likewise, we also have our InstaBend, which is very low static bend radius, can bend right at the point behind the connector. Again, this would be like more of a Group B inside your LRU type of solution. So yeah, those are our products.